That's the market picture, but we'll go across and welcome in our guests. We've got with us Rajiv Agarwal of Essar Ports joining us now to talk about the company's quarter that's gone by. Thanks, Rajiv, for joining us this afternoon on Bloomberg UTV. Rajiv, to get started with, congratulations. Fantastic set of numbers being posted by your company. The stock's up by 9% odd. Help us understand the important aspects of the numbers. Take us to the highlights of the quarter and what is the outlook going ahead?
Well, the quarter has seen very robust increase both on the top line as well as the bottom line. Income has gone up to 279 crores for the quarter as against 179 crores in the previous quarter, which is a 56% increase. For the half year, the income was 558 crores as against 352 crores, resulting in a 58% increase. EBITDA went up to 231 crores for the quarter as against 174 crores, and the margins went up from 74% to 82%. Net profit was 40.8 crores as against 5.3 crores in the previous quarter, and for half year 80.5 crores as against 8.8 crores in the previous half year. This shows that Essar Ports, which was demerged from Essar Shipping, has come of age and has really shown very impressive results and justified its existence as an independent company. We hope that this trend will continue in the next quarter also. The major highlights have been increase in cargo of about 8 to 9%, an increase in realization of about 34%, and improvement in EBITDA margin from 74% to 82% in the current quarter. So these are some of the major highlights.
So I believe you're very optimistic on the traffic handling side of things. I believe you are expecting a twofold increase come 2015. Give me an outlook for what that is expected going ahead, and what has it been for the second quarter?
Well, going forwards, we are implementing our expansion plans from 88 million tons to 158 million tons. Essentially, there is a coal terminal, iron ore terminal in Paradeep, which is going to come on stream by March 2012. Then we have a coal terminal in Salaya, which is expected to come in March 2014, and expansion of Hazira, which is going to be completed by September 2013, and coal terminal at Paradeep by 2014 March. So this will take us to 158 million tons, and cargo is going to go to about 125 from this year. Maybe by end of the year we'll do about 44. So 44 to 125 is the ramp up which is going to take place from the current year to the year 14-15. So that's our plan, and in this the third party business is also going to go up from current about 2% for the first half year to about 25% by 14-15.
Mr. Agarwal, what's been the margin picture like, and what's your forecast on it as we go over the next half of the year?
The EBITDA margin this quarter was 82%. For the first half year was 81%, and going forwards we expect that margins to be around 80%, which is a very healthy EBITDA margin, probably one of the best in the industry.
What about top line and bottom line growth? Do you think this quarter was a bit of an exception on the better side, or do you think this is pretty much sustainable for you in the next couple of quarters as well?
Well, revenue for the first half was around 558 crores, and we expect similar growth in the next 6 months. So we don't give any guidance, but we expect similar numbers for the next half year. And profits or EBITDA was 231 crores for the quarter, 451 for the half year. So for the full year also we can say that we can assume that it would be a similar kind of a number, and net profit at 80.5 crores would again we would like to maintain. So that should be more or less the trend during the next quarter and the next half year.
Right. Thanks a ton, Mr. Agarwal, for joining us and outlining those numbers for us. It's been a good quarter. The stock is reacting positively. Investors giving Essar Ports a thumbs up. Stock's up 7%.